Hi, welcome to Palai Planet, and we have got a question again here. The question is about like a car has got two wipers which do not overlap, and each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. So what we need to clearly understand is that each wiper is sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So suppose if this is the wiper, right? So this wiper is sweeping through right the area of sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So that will be like somewhere, it will look like this, right? So this angle, the question is saying that this angle is 115 degree, right? And the length of the blade is 25 centimeters. So if this is the center point and this is the end point of the wiper, so wiper starts moving from here till here and it's covering this area. So what we need to do is we need to find out the area of this sector which is shaded here in, which I am shading in the red colors, right? So find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Now there are two blades, right? There are two blades. So this is one blade and there will be the second blade also, and that will also be exactly like this. And you know, this is the sector which is cleaning and the angle is 115 degree, right? Now what we need to do is we need to find out these areas, this one and this one, right? Now we already know that area of a sector made by any arc, right, is always equal to theta upon 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. And now that we have got two such areas, so that means we are talking about, you know, the double of this entire formula. So we will first write pi r square and we will also multiply this entire thing with 2 so that we can get the area cleaned by both the blades, right? Now let's start putting up these values. So theta is 115 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by 22 over 7, and r is 25, so that makes it 25 multiplied by 25 and multiplied by 2. Now let's start solving this. So if we divide it by 5, so this is like 23 and this is like 72, right? This is what we get here, and this is like 36, right? Now let's take the help from the calculator and we will quickly find out the answer here, right? So that's like 23 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 625 divided by 7 further divided by 36. So the answer which we've got is 1254.96 square centimeter. Now that's the area which will be swept through by two wipers, right? So this is the answer. I hope you understood this. Very simple question. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye and keep watching these videos.